What about pacifiers?
If you're planning on breastfeeding your baby, your pediatrician will recommend that you hold off on pacifier use until breastfeeding is well established. That will be probably around 3 or 4 weeks, but there's no absolute time that I can tell you that will happen. So why is that recommended? It's not because anyone thinks pacifiers are evil or they don't want you to comfort your baby. In fact, it's the opposite. We always want you to comfort your baby, and we always want you to respond to your baby's needs. Of course, your baby won't be able to tell you what he needs by speaking, but they will try to communicate with you in other ways. We call those hunger cues. You might see your baby trying to suck on their hand, trying to put their fist in their mouth, or maybe turning to the side, trying to look for something to latch onto. That's your baby's way of saying, hey, I would like to eat now. It's important to respond to that. If baby's sucking needs are being met by a pacifier, then they're not going to do those things like sucking on their hands or turning their head to the side. That means they're spending less time at the breast. And of course, we know that the more time baby spends at the breast, the better for establishing an ample supply of milk for your baby. And when you respond to your baby's cues, your baby's learning, hey, I have a need, and my parents respond, and that helps them to feel safe, which is a good thing. And it also helps new parents to grow in confidence because they're starting to learn, I know what my baby does. I see my baby trying to communicate with me. And responding to that, learning what your baby needs, definitely helps you to feel more confident as a new parent. Now, there will be some days when baby is just really cranky and you try everything and you feel like you're going to pull your hair out. There might be days like that where you do offer a pacifier, and that's okay. But in general, try to limit pacifier use in that first 3 or 4 weeks in order to establish a really good supply of milk for your baby, to help your baby to feel safe and know that my parents respond to me, and to help you to feel more confident as a parent knowing what your baby needs.